Meaning of ecstasy.
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 Ecstasy. Ecstasy refers to a state of intense pleasure, happiness, and euphoria. The experience is often described as a feeling of transcendence from ordinary reality, with heightened sensations of touch, sound, and emotion. Users may also experience a sense of oneness with the world and others around them, as well as a temporary loss of individual identity. Physically, ecstasy induces increased heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature, along with enhanced sensory perception and feelings of closeness and bonding with others. The drug can also have dangerous side effects and should be used with caution.